Hello student, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here we are discussing electrolysis of copper sulfate aqueous solution. So we can use two type of electrodes, platinum electrode or copper electrode. Here we are using platinum electrode, okay, not copper electrode. Because why it is so? Because both of them are giving different products, right? So here we are using platinum electrode. Platinum is the electrode in this case. So copper sulfate ionizes to copper 2 positive ion aqueous and SO4 2 negative ion. So copper and sulfate ions are there, and water liquid also ionizes H positive proton and OH negative. Okay, now what will happen? We are getting total how many ions are there? Two cations and 2 anions, copper 2 positive, H positive, sulfate ions and hydroxide ion. Now there will be competition between these two, copper 2 positive and hydrogen positive. Which will win? Copper will win. Why it will win? Because it is having reduction potential positive. So when positive reduction potential will be there, and hydrogen is having zero potential, so this reduction potential of copper 2 positive to copper is higher as compared to reduction potential of hydrogen to hydrogen gas. So that is why copper is deposited. Copper take 2 electron and deposited in the at cathode. Now at anode what will happen? At anode oxidation will be done. So SO4 2 negative and OH negative will be there. So which will be discharged? It's charge at anode. Here electron will be lost in at anode by OH negative. So SO4 and H positive remain in the solution. Copper 2 positive deposited as copper, and at this anode water will ionize first H positive and OH negative, then 4 of OH negative. I am saying 4 of OH negative lost 4 electrons. So sometimes they are asking how many number of electrons are lost during the electrolysis of copper sulfate aqueous solution using platinum electrode. So at that time we have to write down 4 electrons are lost, because oxygen is released, and oxygen is only released when 4 electrons are lost. So 4 OH, after losing this it will become 4 OH and 4 electron is lost, and now this is an unstable species, gives O2 plus twice of H2O. Everything is balanced. Now oxygen gas is released. Either we can write on this balance equation like this also. 4 of H2O gives you 4 of H positive plus 4 of OH negative, right? And this 4 OH negative give 1 mole of oxygen gas. Now in solution H positive and sulfate ions remain as such, and color of copper sulfate fades away because depleting Cu2 positive. Cu2 positive is decreasing because it is deposited, and color of the solution is due to Cu2 positive only. So color will be fade away. Okay.